Hello kid, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving the 2025 KS2 Arithmetic Year 6 questions paper. If you are preparing for your SATs and want full marks in arithmetic, this video is exactly what you need. No wasting time, we will go straight into the smart methods, quick tricks and exam friendly steps to help you solve faster and avoid silly mistakes. So grab your pen, pause the video, try each question first and let's start to score the full marks. So if you will see the questions nicely, like we have the number 7549. So basically it is written in the right hand side, just it's their place value. Like the place value of 7, it is written as the 7000. The place value of 5 should be like the 500, and the place value of 4 as a 40, and the place value of 9 is as a 9, that is it is at the ones place. So basically we can say when we will add all these values, we will get the values exactly to the 7549. So the correct answers for these questions will be 500. Number 2 is very easy. We just need to find out the difference of these two numbers. So we have the first number as a 456 and the second number as 385. So we just need to find out their difference. So we know that the difference of 6 and 5 will be 1. Difference of 5 and 8 will not be possible. So we will take out a borrow from the preceding numbers. So 4 will become 3 and this number will become 15. So now 15 minus 8 we will get as a 7 and 3 minus 3 will get nothing. So we can say the difference of 456 and 385 will be 71. Now in question number 3 it is asking in 233 by which number should we multiply to get the answer as a 0. So you know it very well, when we'll multiply 0 by any number we will get the number as a 0. So the correct answers for these questions will be 0. In question number 4, we just need to find out the sum of 47.65 and 51.783. So for solving these questions, we will use the column method. So yes, we have 47.65 and the second number we have a whole part as a 51.783. Now we will just simply add it. So after the additions, we know that 0 is nothing, will become 3. 5 and 8 will make 13, so we will write 3, carry we have 1. 6 and 7 will be 13 and 13 and carry 1 will be 14. Okay, point will still remains the same. So 7 and 1 will make 8 and 4 and 5 will make 9. So we can say when we add these two numbers, we will get the answer as 98.433. Question number 5 is again very easy questions for you. We just need to find out the difference of 904 and 8. So we know that 4 minus 8 will not be possible. So we will take a borrow from the preceding number. So 0 will not able to give. So we'll take a borrow from 9. So it will become 8 units and the next number will become 10. Now again we'll take a borrow from 10. So 10 will become 9 and this number will become 14. So 14 minus 8 will give us 6 and 9 minus 0 will be 0 and 8 will still remains the same. So in this way we'll get the correct answer for these questions as 896. Let's move to the question number 6. In question number 6, this is very easy. It is normally asking the divisions like the 84 divided by 12, what we'll get. So basically 84 divided by 12 means it is a kind of the repetitive subtraction. So we know that 84 comes in 12 tables by 7 times. So yes, we can say the correct answer for this question is 7. Now in question number 7, this is a simple multiplications. We just need to multiply 832 by 6. So when we will multiply 832 by 6, first we should multiply 6 by 2, then 3, then 8. So 6 times 12 we will get the 12. 6 times 3 we will get the 18, 18 and 1 it will make the 19. We will have the carry 1. Now again 6 times 8 will make the 48 and 48 and 1 will be 49. So in this way we will get the correct answer for these questions as 4992. Question number 8 is very simple multiplications. We will just simply multiply first 12 times 3 and then 10. So we know that 12 times 3 we will get the answer as a 36. Now, when we'll multiply 36 times 10, we will get the answer as 360. That is our correct answer. Now, in 326, what we'll add to make it the 380? The easiest way for solving these questions, we just need to find out the difference from the higher number to the lower number. So, when we will find out the difference, so 0 minus 6 will not be possible. So we'll take a borrow from 8. So yes, 8 will become now 7 and the next number will become 10. So 10 minus 6 will give us 4. 7 minus 2 will give us 5 and 3 minus 3 will be nothing. So in this way, we will get the correct answer for this questions as a 54. In question number 10, it is asking in 72, by what number when we will divide, we'll get the answer as 9. Again, the easiest way for finding out the answer of this question, we will simply divide like 72 by 9, we will get the answer as a 8. So yes, 8 will be the correct answer for this question. Now again, we have these questions like we just need to find out the product of 2 by 5 and the 5 by 6. This is the fraction based questions. We can simplify also, like when we will multiply 2 times 5 we will get 10 and 5 times 6 will get 30. One more thing, if you will see it closely, you know 10 and 30 divide to each other, so we can cancel. 10 will completely divisible by 10 tables by 1 and 30 will be 3. So the correct answer for these questions will be 1 by 3. Question number 12, we have the simple division. Actually, we just need to divide 540 by 6. So yes, we will write 6 and we will use the long division method. So we know that in 6 table, 54 will comes by 9 times. So 54 will be go out cancel. We have the 0 and 0 comes in 6 tables by 0 times. So yes, we will get the 0. Go out cancels. So finally answers we will have as a 90. So the 90 will be the correct answer for question number 12. Now in next question, we just need to multiply like 807 by 8. So again, we will use the column method. So 7 times 8 we will get the 56. We have the carry. Now 8 times 0 we will get 0 and carry was the 5. So it will become now 5. So 8 times 8 we will get 64. In next question, we just need to multiply like 614 by 32. So first we'll multiply with 2 by 4, 1 and then 6. So 2 times 4 will get 8. 2 times 1 will be 2. 2 times 6 will be 12. Okay. Now, similarly, we will multiply 3 with 4, 1 and 6. So when we will multiply 3 times 4, we will get 12, carry 1. 3 times 1, we will get 3 and carry 1 will be 4. And 3 times 6, we will get 18. So when we will add it, we will get 8, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 1, 8, 9 and 1. So basically the correct answers for these questions will be 19,648. Now we can discuss the next question, that is question number 15 here. So question number 15, we just need to divide 2000 by 4. So we will write 4 and 2000. Again, we will use the long division method. So in 4 table, we know that 20 will completely divisible by 5 times. Okay, now the 20 will come. So again, 20 is completely divisible by 4 by again 20. So yes, in this way, we will get the 0 remainder. So we can say the correct answer for these questions will be the 500. This is the normal multiplication. So we will use the column method for multiplying these two decimal numbers that we have as a 8.9 times 3. So when we will multiply, we will get 9 times 3 will be 27, carry 2, and 8 times 3 will be 24, carry 2 will be 26. One more thing, we have only one decimal. So that's why we'll give a point just after one decimal. That will be the 26.7. That is our correct answer for question number 16. In question number 17, we just need to divide 326.8 by 10. So by 10 means only 1 0, means we will just move the point towards the left, because in divisions we move the point towards the left hand side. So when we move these point to the left side, our answer will be 32.68. That will be our correct answer. Now in question number 18, we have to find out the difference of fractions 1 by 3 and 1 by 9. So in these questions, we just have to make the same denominator. So we can make the same denominator, simply just multiply 3 numerator and denominator in the first fraction. So we will get 3 by 9 minus, we don't need to change anything in the second fraction. So that will still remains the same. Now we will get 3 minus 1, that will be 2 by 9. That will be our correct answer for question number 18. Now question number 19, we have the simple division. So again, we will use the long division method. So in 7 table, it will divisible by around the 1 times. So yes, it will be 7. Now we have the difference 1, and this 9 will come downside. Now in 7 table, 19 will completely divisible around like 2 times, that is the 14 with remainder 5. Now again the next 6 number is come downside. In 7 table, 56 is divisible by 8 times. So in this way we have gotten the answer for question number 19 as 128. In question number 20, we have to find out the difference of these large numbers. So basically we have to subtract 52,346 from 1,04,235. So again we'll use the column method here. So 5 minus 6 will not be possible, so we'll take a borrow from 3. So 3 will become 2 and the next number will become 15. So 15 minus 6 will give us 9. 2 minus 4 again not possible, so we'll take a borrow from the preceding numbers. So 2 will become 1 and this will become 12. So 12 minus 4 will be 8. 1 minus 3 again not possible, so we'll take a borrow. So 4 will become 3 and this will become 11. So 11 minus 3 we will get as a 8 and 3 minus 2 will be 1. Okay, now 0 minus 5 will not be possible, so we'll take a borrow. So from this one will become 0, this will become 10 and 10 will become now 9 and this is 10. So 10 minus 5 we will get 5 and this will become 9. So the correct answer for this questions will be 951,889. Now it's time for solving the question number 21. Again we have the very simple division. So yes, we will divide 4,104 by 9 by using the column method. So yes, in 9 table, 41 will be divisible by around 4 times, that will be 36 with remainder 5. Okay, now the second 0 will come downside. So in 9 table, 50 will be around the 5 times, that will be 45 again with remainder 5 and the next number will come 4. So in 9 table, 54 is completely divisible by 6 times. So in this way we will get the answer for question number 21 as a 456. Next number, again we have the from the fractions. So we have to make the same denominator. So we know that we can make the denominator same in the first fraction just by multiply by 2 numerator and denominator. So we have the 2 by 12. Again same we can make the same denominator in this second fractions, just multiplying by 4 in the numerator as well as denominator. So we will have as a 8 by 12. There is no need to change in the third fraction because we have already the denominator as a 12. Now we have the same denominator. So now we can add 2, 8 and 3, that we will get 13 by 12. That will be our correct answer for this question number 22. In question number 23, we just have to subtract the whole part, that is 17. So we can write like 17.0 and the decimal number, that is a 3.6. So now we can subtract easily. We know that 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we'll take a borrow from 7. So it will become 6 and the next number will become 10. So 10 minus 6 will give us 4. And now 6 minus 3 will be 3 and this one will still remains the same. So in this way we have gotten the answer for question number 23 as a 13.4. Now in question number 24 we have again from the fractions, but this time we have the mixed fraction. So first we'll change these fractions into improper. So yes, we will get, when we will change 2 whole 3 by 5 into improper, simply we'll multiply by 2 times 5 and add 3. So 2 times 5 will be 10 and 10 and 3 will be the 13 by 5 plus. Again similarly we will, when we will change this 1 whole 3 by 5 into mix, we will get 5 times 1 will be 5 and plus 3 will be 8. So 8 by 5, we have the same denominator, so means we can add. So 13 and 8 will give us 21 by 5. Now we can also change into the mixed fractions. So we can change into mixed simply just by dividing. So in 5 table, it will be divisible by 4 times with remainder 1. So we have the 4 as a whole part and 1 will be the numerator, that will be 5. So you have 4 whole 1 by 5, or you can say the 21 by 5. Both of them are the correct answer for question number 24. Now in question number 25 we just have to find out the 5% of 860. The easiest way to solve this question, just you can multiply 5 times 860 and divided by 100. So you know it very well, 0 and 0 will be cancelled, and in 5 table 10 will divisible by 2, and in 2 tables 86 is divisible by 43. So you can say the 5% of 886 will be 43. Again, in question number 26, we just have to find out the simple division of 5 by 8 divided by 3. So the easiest way for solving out the division based upon the fractions, just do the reciprocal of the right side. So the reciprocal of 3 will be 1 by 3. Now we can the simple multiplication. So 5 times 1 will give us 5 and 8 times 3 will get the 24. So in this way we will get the answer like 5 by 24 is the correct answer for question number 26. Now we have the question number 27 again from the percentage. So we know that we will just simply multiply 19 by 2300 and we will divide it by 100. So 20 and 20 we will go out cancel. So basically we just need to simple multiply 19 by 23. So when we will multiply 19 by 23 we will get like 3 times 9 will be 27. This will be 5 and 2 times 9 will be 18 and 2 times 1 will be 3. So when we will add we will get 437. So in this way we will get the correct answer for these questions as a 437. Now we have again the simple division. So in 17 tables 88 is divisible by 5 times by 85 with remainder 3. So now 4 will come the next. So in 17 tables we know that 34 is divisible by 2 times. So in this way we will get the correct answer for question number 28 as a 52. Now in question number 29 again we have from the fractions. So when we'll change into improper we will get 13 by 6 plus 2 by 5. One more thing, we don't have the same denominator here, so we have to make it the same denominator. So for this thing we have to multiply by 5 both numerator and denominator in the first fraction. So we will get 65 by 30 plus again we will multiply 6 numerator and denominator. So we will get 12 by 30. So when we will add 65 and 12 we will get 77 by 30 and again we have to change into mixed fraction. So we will use the division method here. So when we will divide 77 by 30 so it will be divisible by 2 times with remainder 17. So we can say the correct answer for these questions will be 2 whole 17 by 30 or we can say the 77 by 30. Both of them are correct answer for these questions. Again we have the simple multiplication. So we will just multiply 4 with 9, 1, 4 and 6. So 4 times 9 we will get 36 with carry 3. 4 times 1 will be 4 and carry 3 will be 7. 4 times 4 will be 16 carry 1. 4 times 6 will be 24 and 1 will be 25. Now we will simply multiply 7 with 9, 1, 4 and 6. So 7 times 9 will give us the 63 with carry 6. 7 times 1 will be 7 and 6 will be 13 with carry 1. 7 times 4 will be 28 and 28 and 1 will be 29 with carry 2. 7 times 6 will be 42 and carry 2 will be 44. Now we will simply add it. So it will become 6, 7 and 3 will be 10. 6, 3, 9 and 1 will be 10. 5, 9, 14 carry 1 will be 15. Carry 1, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7 and this will be 4. So when we multiply 6419 by 74 we will get the answer as a 4,75,006. In question number 31 we will use the board mass also. So 5 square basically 5 into 5 that we will get 25 plus 3 minus 12 divided by 4. So by using the board mass or the bead mass, first we will solve the bracket one. So 25 plus 3 we will get 28 minus 12 divided by 4 we will get the answer as a 3. So 28 minus 3 we will get the 25. That will be the correct answer for question number 31. Again we just need to find out the 65% of 540. So we know it very well. We'll just simply multiply and just divide it by 100. So this 0 and this 0 will be go out cancels and in 5 tables it will be 2 times and in 5 tables it will be 13 times. And in 2 tables 54 will comes 27. So basically we just need to multiply 13 into 27. So when we will multiply 13 into 27 we will get like 3 times 7 will be 21 and this will be 8. 1 times 7 and this will be 2. So when we will add it we will get the answer as a 351. That is the correct answer for question number 32. Now we have the questions from the fractions. So again we will just change into improper. So 3 whole 1 by 3 we will get 10 by 3 times 12. Okay, so now we'll multiply numerator with numerator. So we'll get 120 divided by 3. One more thing, 120 is completely divisible by 3. So again we will divide with 40 times and 40 by 1 we will get the answer as a 4. Now we have again the division question. So we will use the simple division method. So in 45 times 1 we will get 41, with remainder 11 minus 5 will be 6. And in 45 table 369 will be completely divisible by 9 times, that is around 360, with remainder 9. So the next 0 will come downside, and in 45 tables we know it 90 will be completely divisible with 2 times. So in this way we will get the correct answer for question number 34 as 192. Now the next question number is the 35. We just have to find out the product of these two fractions. So we will just simply multiply numerator terms. So we will get 722 divided by 8, and we know it 728 is completely divisible by 8 by 90 times. So in this way we will get the correct answer for this questions as a 90.